Hey all, we all want to lose fat and stay healthy, but with so many diet plans, weight loss supplements, and trendy workouts, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. So, what does science say about real, sustainable fat loss? In this video, we'll break down the most effective, research-backed weight loss tips that actually work, without starving yourself or buying into hype. Make sure to subscribe to our channel NutriSlab, like, and share this video if you're serious about achieving your health goals the smart way. Welcome to NutriSlab, your trusted guide to science-based health and fitness. If you're new here, we decode the truth behind supplements, weight loss, and natural health hacks so you can live your best life. Let's get straight into the science-backed fat loss strategies that your body will thank you for. 1. Exercise isn't just movement, it's a metabolic igniter. Let's get clear. Exercise isn't just physical activity, it's a calorie-burning powerhouse that keeps torching fat even after you stop. Recent studies show that your body continues to burn calories while you sleep after a workout. How? During exercise, you burn through available carbs, and over the next 24 hours, your body taps into fat reserves, even for basic activities like walking, sitting, or sleeping. So yes, exercise boosts resting metabolism too. 2. Never skip breakfast. Here's why. Think skipping breakfast saves calories? Think again. When you're hungry, your brain craves high-calorie comfort food, not healthy greens. That's your survival instinct at work. Eating breakfast helps regulate blood sugar, balances hunger hormones like ghrelin, and kickstarts your metabolism early in the day. Add protein-rich foods like eggs or Greek yogurt to stay full longer and reduce overall calorie intake. 3. Protein and low-fat dairy, the fat-binding duo. Here's the science. Protein increases PYY, a satiety hormone that tells your brain you're full. Just a 10% increase in protein can significantly cut hunger pangs. Low-fat dairy is rich in calcium, which binds to dietary fat and forms a non-digestible substance your body excretes. In short, calcium makes fat harder to absorb, so your body eliminates more of it instead of storing it. 4. Soup versus solid food, the surprising satiety secret. Want to eat less without feeling hungry? Blend your meals. When you drink water with your food, it's absorbed before digestion starts, leaving you hungry again quickly. But when your meal is blended, the liquid becomes part of the food structure, taking longer to digest and keeping your stomach full longer. This is why soup-based diets are often more satisfying than solid meals with a drink on the side. 5. Count calories, but do it smartly. Tracking your food intake isn't outdated, it's science-backed. People who write down what they eat lose more weight than those who don't. Why? Awareness changes behavior. Realizing your cappuccino has 100 calories versus black coffee's 10 can change your daily habits. Even something as simple as using a smaller plate, 10 inches instead of 12, can reduce food intake by up to 22%. 6. Sleep and stress, the hidden fat triggers. Lack of sleep and high stress are silent saboteurs. Both increase cortisol and ghrelin, leading to greater hunger and higher fat storage. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep, practice mindfulness or meditation, and prioritize recovery as much as workouts. Because no diet works if your hormones are working against you. Now that you know the science behind real weight loss, it's time to apply it. Smart choices, daily habits, and a sustainable mindset. Got a question or weight loss myth you want us to bust? Drop it in the comments, we love hearing from you. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to NutriSlab, and share this video with a friend who needs real answers, not diet scams. Remember, knowledge is power, and your healthiest body starts with the truth. Stay healthy, stay curious. See you in the next video.